Uh-oh. What have you done? David? Come here, you see. Oh, man. Have you got enough water? Are you sure? Are you cleaning the kitchen for me? Hmm? There's so much bubbles. It's hard work, son, isn't it? I know. I do it every day.
Hard work, son. Does Mommy got you doing that? I better phone social service.
Did your daddy tell you, Mom? Did he?
Mommy tell you that, son?
Bailey, look.
You're never going to